Here's a great buy on a really cool midsize SUV that's loaded with it all. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, and today I'd like to show you this 2021 Nissan Rogue SL Premium. The Premium is a really big deal on this vehicle. Around back, rear park assist sensors, rear bumper protector, lots of cargo room, divide and hide cargo management system, an optional cargo mat, even a first aid kit. Power lift gate, backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler. Beautiful 19-inch alloy wheels with a great set of General tires. More than enough room for your rear seat passengers. They also have access to dedicated rear heating and air controls and dual USB charging ports. It's Caspian blue with a two-tone black roof, factory roof rack, tinted windows, color keyed door handles, contrasting gloss black mirror caps with LED turn signals, LED daytime running lights, headlights, forward collision sensor, front park assist, fog lights down below. It's equipped with passive keyless entry, power panoramic moonroof, leather bucket seats, power seat embroidered floor mats, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, memory seats, blind spot monitor located in your outside rear view mirror, power liftgate controls, automatic headlights, auto dimming high beam headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel you've got paddle shifters, audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth, and intelligent cruise. Only 38,000 well cared for local trade-in miles. Incredible Bose sound system with a subwoofer. Factory navigation, touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. That really cool, really nice 360-degree around vision monitor. Dual zone climate controls, heated steering wheel, heated seats, driver and passenger, push button start, USB ports, 12-volt outlet, console shifter, keyless entry key fob, including remote start and power liftgate release, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report, an auto dimming rear view mirror, and those power moonroof controls overhead. If you'd like to know more about this 2021 Nissan Rogue SL Premium, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.